Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to craft and use the barbed wire fence in 7 days to die. This is going to be especially useful if you're building a base for the blood moon and want to slow down your enemies so they are easier to shoot. This barbed wire fence is going to be unlocked from the beginning, and before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my future content. Now, to craft the barbed wire fence, we'll need some iron and wood. And iron can be gathered by just using a pickaxe and going around some cars and harvesting them using an axe or even a wrench. Now, the second ingredient, wood, can be gathered by just chopping down some trees using a axe. And once you've gathered all of these materials, go ahead and craft the barbed wire fence. And now pick it into your hotbar and go ahead and place it down on the floor using the right click. Also, with the R key, you can rotate it just like this, but it is also going to automatically rotate if you pick it for the first time into your hand. You can see like this, and this is pretty much all how to get and use it. And now if the zombies go through it, they are going to get a little bit hurt and it's going to slow them down. So this is pretty much all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.